by high-velocity landing. As a part of observation of World TB Month 2024, the Office of the District Tuberculosis Officer, Bhoi District Nongpo organized an auto rickshaw rally to create awareness among the public about tuberculosis. The rally started from District Transport Office Bhoi and concluded at Yau Mau Long today. Many auto rickshaw took part in the rally. District Tuberculosis Officer Dr. E. Kalwing informed that last year, as many as 447 people were diagnosed with TB in Bhoi district, and this year the number have already reached 42. She also asked the people to come together in the fight against TB, as the government plans to eradicate TB by 2025.
Sau punya ngot di bapang TB hapor Bhoi. Batang hauli usnam tumai bangi diagnose tumai badang tip tumai bapang TB gidon sau pu arngot. Te kum ki nongya auto jong kadong Bhoi pia kenduk sibun ki brio hak lentiak kelentian kejumpi dengan terpat ye pi bantuin ai kenika ke kubur sekiwe ke awareness program ada hilap bagi nongsong auto jumpi lani ki bahaya ngasem ke jumpi lani ha jingyalang hangno ba pisiam ku gini ki dak disin bantuin penbena lami ke kubur kisapang kan ni pang tebi kenang bakila banwan kloi ban test saki jakarta test.
The public health engineer